Today we're going to be making crockpot potato taco casserole, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the Southern Rustic. If you are new, my name is Sam and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are not yet subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that little red subscribe button down there and be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. It really helps to support my channel. So, in today's video, we are going to be making my crockpot potato taco casserole. It is so easy and so delicious. You're gonna love it. Very minimal ingredients. So let's go over all of the ingredients and get started. Alright guys, for our ingredients, you're going to need a can of cream of chicken soup. You're going to need some cheddar cheese, beef broth, and here I've got some ground chipotle peppers and some oregano. I've got some thinly sliced potatoes. I've just got them hanging out in some water here to keep them from turning brown. They're cut about between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch thick. You're going to need some taco seasoning, some garlic, and ground beef. Okay guys, so I've got my skillet here heating up over medium-low heat, and I've got my ground beef here, and all we're going to do is add in our ground beef, and we're going to cook this until it's no longer pink and it's completely cooked through. If there is any extra grease in here, just go ahead and drain that off. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this, and then I'll meet you right back here and we'll put everything in the crock pot. Alright guys, so we are just going to spray the crock pot with a little bit of olive oil just to prevent anything from sticking. And then we're just going to add in our potatoes, and then you're just going to kind of even these out a bit. Make sure they're all in a single layer as best as you can. Okay. There we go. And now we're just going to sprinkle on our ground beef evenly over the potatoes. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to sprinkle over our taco seasoning right over the top. You can use prepackaged taco seasoning, whatever you want, whatever is your favorite. You can make your own. I just like the flavor of it just a little bit better because I can pick and choose what I put in it. So we're going to put that in there, and we're going to push this back, and I'm going to rinse out the bowl here I had with my potatoes in it. Okay, to my little bowl here, I'm just going to pour in my entire can of cream of chicken soup. If you don't like cream of chicken soup, you can do cream of celery, cream of mushroom. You can do cream of cheddar. That would be nice. And so to this, I'm going to add in my garlic and my ground chipotle peppers and oregano. Now this can be to your heat preference. You don't have to add in the chipotle peppers if you don't want to. Totally up to you. So we're just going to mix this together until it's well combined. Kind of break up that chipotle a little bit. Now I put just enough to give it a little flavor, but not a lot of heat. You can certainly add more if you want, or leave it out like I said. Okay, so I'm going to bring this back, and I'm just going to pour this evenly over the top, right on top there, as evenly as you can get it. This is all going to melt together and become nice and delicious as it cooks. So it doesn't have to be too precise. Okay. There we go. Okay, maybe move some things around. Now we're just going to go in with our cheese and just sprinkle that right on top. Okay. And then you're just going to pour over your broth. Give that a little stir. And this is just going to help cook those potatoes on the bottom. Just going to pour that over. There we go. Now we're going to set this on top. Cover that up, and we're going to set this on high. I'm going to cook this on high for about 3 to 4 hours. You can cook this on low for about 6 to 8 hours. It just depends on how much time you have and what you want to do. So I'm going to let this cook on high for about 4 hours. I'm going to come check it about 3 just to see if the potatoes are cooked through. Once the potatoes are cooked through and the cheese is all nice and melty and everything's bubbly and it smells delicious, you're good. So, see you back when it's done. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 2 hours or so, and it smells absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to eat dinner. My house smells amazing. This has got about an hour or so left to cook, so I'm just going to pop the lid back on and I'll see you when it's done. Okay guys, so this has finally finished and it looks so good. It's nice and bubbly. So I'm going to turn this down to keep warm, and I'm going to whip us up some sides to go along with it, and then we'll plate this up. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And this recipe will be up on my blog, so you can head on over there and check it out. As well as my taco seasoning. I will leave that in the recipe as well. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna go enjoy dinner, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.